Paid my dues to Uganda Land Board because they sent us a company called KK Properties, particularly Mudika, sent us a company called KK Properties, I think in 2006. And at that time, we paid, including myself, 100,000 shillings in 2006. That was a hell of money. Because I remember school fees were about 30,000, 50,000. So if you convert to today's whatever plus inflation, that's possible about 1 million shillings or so. So he paid money to get registered, and I've got the receipt for KK. Because I thought that these are the owners, Kabaka is the owner of this land, it's Kabaka's land, I should pay my dues. So I've got that receipt. And even the Kabaka's representative here, the Muruka chief, Mr. Seguja, wrote me a letter thanking me and recognizing that I'm a resident of the Kabaka, my Chibanja. Now, around 2008, 2009, Mr. Chagulanyi became our neighbor. And when I was working in America, President Museveni sent me to America to represent Uganda at the United Nations. When I was there in 2017, Mr. Chagulanyi grabbed part of my property, part of my Chibanja. So, as a law-abiding person, I decided that let the law take its course. Hence, I opened, for example now, a criminal case on this matter, because I think the law is the one that should take its course. Based on that, today the investigators, the police investigators, came to visit what they call the locus, to see what's on the ground. That is the activity we have been conducting today, following due process, following the law, because I'm a law-abiding citizen.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.